day here in France. We are at the Saint-MICHEL again. If you watch our vlogs last year, it's the same place we met at Foucault. So we're here also for the Sandeman's free walking tour. You tip if you like it. You know, we already know the history of France, like the parents don't. So it'll be new for them. They've never done a walking tour before. So
yeah, a lot of people today. So hopefully there's more tour guides.
I think there's a few. So
Disperse these people.
what are your expectations for the tour? What do you expect to learn today? What do you expect to learn again?
The history of Paris. I kind of forgot.
Can we all just appreciate how this girl blends in with everybody here?
I'm wearing a French designer, French bulldog.
Sounds good.
I don't know.
Sometimes when you're just walking around France, you feel like you're always near something really big. Really cool.
Like one thing in the corner.
LULU was in. Alright, we just finished the tour and now we're going to back to LULU over there. Take some more photos. We're going to get some lunch nearby. Spin?
Yeah. Okay.
We're here at for lunch. We're gonna get a small plate, share it, and hopefully get full. You guys gonna be really good. That's good. That's more butter. Yeah. How's it, ba? What's it taste like? Like pork?
Pretty good. Some salt.
Ooh, can't wait to get some of that. Ooh.
It's like slipping. That's fine. Just cooked it out there. I have a good grip on this.
What does it taste like?
Pesto butter with mushroomy.
I love mushroom. I'm excited. Here. Hey guys, we're at an Absinthe bar at 11:30 at night. Trying it for the first time, man. This is what it looks like. Using the, my phone to vlog because I didn't bring the camera, but yeah, let's see how this night goes. It's gonna be fun. So how would you describe it? Pretty good?
Yeah. It has that licorice aftertaste.
Yes.